Keyboard shortcuts let you access tools quickly without having to make selections from menus or toolbars. A keyboard shortcut can be a single button on your keyboard, such as the F9 key for collision control, or a sequence of buttons that you press to invoke a command. Click the Alt key on your keyboard. In the interface, each menu name and item has one underlined letter. For example, the F is underlined in the File menu. These underlined letters are the ones you use for keyboard shortcuts. You can toggle the underline on and off in the menu bar by pressing the Alt key on your keyboard. To launch a command using the keyboard, type the underlined letter in the menu name, then type the underlined letter in the menu item name. If the menu item has a cascading menu, you need to type an additional letter. For example, to select the Walls tool, you would type I for the Insert menu, and then W for the Walls submenu, and then W for the Walls tool. You can use the arrow keys on your keyboard to move through menu items and press Enter to select one. You can use the Escape key to back out of the menu items one level at a time. There is a row of F keys at the top of your keyboard. These keys have the following functions. F1 accesses online help. F4 grid snap. F5 object snap. F6 angle snap. F7 grid. F8 ortho. F9 collision control. Select Settings toolbars. The Program Settings dialog box appears. Select Keyboard from the list on the left. The keyboard shortcuts will appear on the right. Each command can be evoked by a set of keyboard keys. For example, to evoke the Area Perimeter command, type the A and then the P button on your keyboard. The command will start. As you scroll through the list, some commands will not have an assigned set of keys. You can assign keys by putting the cursor in the Press Keys area of the dialog box and selecting keys to use for that shortcut. As an example, for the Generate Project Estimate command, type AE and then click the Assign button. The keys have been set for that command. Shortcut keys can be used to evoke commands quickly. A list of default shortcuts can be found on the CADSoft website. I hope they make your work easier.